Hey guys, September 28, 2021, we are looking at VXX, Barclays Bank PLC. And this used to be one of my favorite stocks to play in the past. The reason why is because this stock would allow you to borrow to short and you can go long. And I like those type of stocks that give you the versatility or, the option to go both ways. But let's look at what happened today. This stock was doing good numbers pre-market, and then after the bell, it did a little hesitation and then shot up. I'm surprised it doesn't shoot up more. Sorry, because the market cap is so low, which is the float. For those who don't know, float market cap is the number of shares available to give out to people like me and you to buy. So usually when it's a low amount of shares available, that means the price is more likely to be volatile, because if there's one share left and it's me, you, and five other guys, they can call whatever price they want to sell us that share for. But if they have 1,000 shares or 1,000,000 like Apple, and it's just me, you, and two other guys who want to buy it, no one's going to cut in line for those shares. If anything, we're going to wait for the right price to where that stock is not going to be moving as volatilely as a low cap stock. So that's just a brief explanation of what low cap or floater of the stock float means. But as far as what news is driving this, let's check out what news is driving this stock. VXX. Crypto bull Barry said he bet on leverage stock market volatility fund earlier. VIX climbs to its highest on CBS, NBC. Contributor Steve, biggest risk is VXX going higher. Barclays to reenact 1-for-4 reverse split of iPath, announces reverse. So I guess you have some people on TV or that has a high traffic source to reach people's ears saying that the stock is going up, which got investors excited to where I believe this is moving the market or the stock up. The stock is currently below VWAP, so it may have seen its best days or best side prior to 5-10 minutes ago, earlier in the day, because right now it's below VWAP. So I wouldn't jump in now. And like I always advocate, do not hold these stocks overnight. You don't know what can happen tomorrow. Fifth, sixth variant of COVID could come out. Next thing you know, all the stock prices drop below, I don't know, to zero. So but this is a nice stock that you could have played. Just a quick recap. I don't want to take too much time here. Beginning bell, our plays, guys. We do the open bid. It would have washed us out for those who are super conservative. Someone like me, I would have lost. And then those who are risky and willing to wait, it would have paid off for this one. Not something you always want to do, but it does work out sometimes. And then from here, just a beautiful uptrend, up, 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 mellows out just a little bit, a little down, pull back, just to come right back up. And then from here, in my opinion, it kind of consolidates from 1105 up to, where does this drop? 1205 for like an hour. Does it drop back up? And it's a little mini roller coaster, but just the fact that it's staying above VWAP is a good stock to jump in. And it does one bounce here, which is at 2712. You know how we like to bounce on the VWAP. But right now it's currently below VWAP. So be cautious. Do not try to trade this within the last hour. And let's just try to get a better idea of what's going to happen tomorrow based off what I see. Projection, I don't know if it's going to move up tomorrow. Yeah, I would just have to watch the first 15-20 minutes, kind of like today action. Like if you watch today's action, ooh, I'm in the wrong tool. You can kind of foresee that the stock was going to be doing good for the majority of the day, right? Because the first 15 minutes, it was just sunny skies and birds chirping. So usually I like to watch how the first 15-20 minutes play out in the day to determine what I would like to do. But based on today's action, tomorrow it might actually drop. It's below VWAP right now, and there's nothing really significant news that's happening to make me believe this is going to continue up. But this is a stock that has its moments where it jumps up and then calms down and goes back and forth. So yeah, hopefully you guys saw some plays, saw some nice spots to put in a bid and made some money. But that's all for VXX. I will check you out on the next video. Thank you for watching. Bye.